Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add numbering with any values in Google Docs document. Open your Docs document and firstly select your text area you want to numbering, and here you will find this numbering option. First I will add any numbering. Now click on this numbering, select all numbering and click right button, follow your mouse. Here you will find this edit prefix and suffix option. Select here. I will add prefix. I will add percentage icon. I type here percentage. Now I will select apply enter list. Now select OK. And see this percentage value already added. Also I will add here numbering with any values. First I will add any numbering. This numbering. Now click on this numbering option, select all of them and click right button for your mouse and select edit prefix and suffix option. Now I'll add suffix here. I remove this bracket and I'll put here hash and simply select OK and see this. In this way you can add any kinds of symbol or any values as you like or want. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.